You know what, Elizabeth? Just give me the wand, okay? No. Come on. I like playing with it. See? I understand you love playing with it, Elizabeth, I understand that you want to play with it, but right now it's time for bed. Yeah, and bedtime. Bedtime is not the time for you to play with the wand, okay? But I like playing with the wand, okay? See? See? Look at that. Man, Elizabeth, I am asking you nicely to give me that wand, alright? Fine, you can have it. Here you go. Thank you, Elizabeth. Thank you. Alright, now please turn around, Sister Bear. Alright. Okay? The wand is finally off, okay? Now, no more playing with this wand, okay, Elizabeth? Well, people are trying to get some sleep. Got it. Thank you. I'll take the wand away and put it in my room, okay? My Wedgie Rabbit. Coming. See? No, that is simple. Yeah, it is simple, baby. But why now it'll be the time for us to get some sleep. Yeah, exactly. Alright. Finally! No more wand making noises. Okay, now we can get some sleep.